How to get a refund on Jack in the Box. It's pretty simple. You want to simply go to your browser. I'm using Safari over here, and here at the search bar you want to type in Jack in the Box refund policy. Simply search for Jack in the Box refund policy, and you want to scroll down and you'll see the option, and you'll see a tab called frequently asked questions from the Jack in the Box website. Simply tap on it, and here you'll see all the frequently asked questions. If you have your refund reasons over here, you can simply find for solutions over here, or if you want to directly contact to the support team, you can simply scroll down all the way and click on contact us. Here you want to type on mobile app or website order, or in restaurant order or experience. Click on next, and you need to select I need to request or refund. Tap on it, and you want to scroll down and click on Jack in the Box mobile app for delivery and click on next. After that here you want to fill out your information, your states, your city and your location address, and if your appeal is valid you might get your refund by clicking on next over here. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions make sure to leave a comment down below.